As the rector of former Christian College at Chartered University, I wanted to thank the Oslo Metropolitan University for our partnership. Just came earlier today from the final day of the program on security and journalism, which was very, very good. I participated in other events before in the past as well, and I love this partnership. I like to strengthen international ties, but I think the substance that the university, Metropolitan University, brings to the program is also fantastic. So again, thank you. Huge appreciation from Lahore, huge appreciation from Pakistan for the Norwegian dimension that we have to our program. Thank you very much.
Faculty of Humanities and Department of Mass Communication held a 4-day training workshop in collaboration with Oslo Metropolitan University on digital security in dangerous journalistic workplaces with strong media systems at the Media Center, FCCU.
So the workshop on digital security is one of many workshops that we are conducting at conferences. Normally the idea of this workshop or any workshop comes from the previous one. In the previous conference we thought about digital security. So this workshop will deal with basic concepts of digital security and the precautions taken that are very important for working journalists as well as students. So I hope that it's fruitful for both the students and journalists.
As a result of this training, the participants from different media organizations and academic institutions will learn, work and develop new skills and knowledge.
The key trainers included Dr. Abir Sadi and Dr. Altaf Ullah Khan. Mr. Umar Farooq joined as co-trainer.
I was very glad that today the selection of the participants was very good. We discussed several issues related to safety and ethics of journalists, including today we highlighted the digital safety related to the social media and related to using the mobile phone, which is an instrument that the journalists use in work, the mojo work of journalism. The journalists as well identified the threats that face them as a local journalist in Pakistan or when they travel abroad, regionally or internationally. They have identified some threats and how they deal with those kind of threats. In the coming days, we are going to discuss more ideas of these threats in particular, including threats related to coverage abroad or coverage ballistic threats or any kind of other threats. And they are going to gain more skills as profile management, how to manage their profile in the journalistic field and how to take the decision the right way. Those kinds of courses is very important, and the FCCU is really putting a lot of effort in this or preparing it so the journalists are prepared when they go to their missions.
It was a comprehensive workshop which covered almost all areas of war, conflict sensitive and peace reporting. Dr. Abir Sadi produced various discussions on risk management, situational awareness, dealing with armed groups, psychosocial safety, and trauma management.
I have learned how to save yourself digitally and how to save yourself physically in the field. I have learned how to manage the risk and how to manage the threat in the field because most of the time, especially I am covering the conflict zone in Pakistan, which is known as the Trimble area. We are facing a lot of risk and a lot of threats. So these kind of tools which I have learned in this training, it will be really helpful for me in my field while covering while reporting in the tribal areas.
It's a very good experience because we are from various backgrounds. I am an academic and we also have people from the mainstream journalism, so it's very good to have the ideas coming from both the sides and also to understand the do's and don'ts of practical journalism. Along with the best part about this training is the digital hygiene and digital security.
I actually left my posting because of some serious consequences and threats physically and verbally as well. So here we are actually learning, and we have actually learned that what are the ways how we can actually secure ourselves, what are the best ways in fact to communicate, and how we can actually feel and realize ourselves the way the danger is, and how we, if the danger is existing over there, so how we can take ourselves out.
so pleased that we were able to host this event. I want to give my appreciation to the Department of Mass Communication. This is an opportunity to bring together those in the field of journalism, as well as other educators, not only at our university, but other universities here in Pakistan, as well as our students, an opportunity to talk and discuss important issues related to the field of digital communication.